Hi everybody, Groovy Gaga here again. Today I'd like to tell you about a little trip I paid lately over to America. I met up with an old friend of mine, an old Native American, or an Indian as we used to call them in the old days. Whilst we were sitting in his teepee, smoking a bit of pipe, drinking a little bit of firewater, I asked that old guy if he would teach me the rain dance, and the kind old gent said, "Ugh, certainly." And what follows is the result. Thank you very much. Thank you. I give you the rain dance. Hiya loa humba hika, hiya soba humba hila mogi luka, ba humba ho bum 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 hiya lo lo, hiya ho ho hi hi ho 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 ho, hiya yo yo holy ho ho, hey hey ho ho ha ha. As you can see, pretty effective, eh? Thanks, Groovy fans. See you again. Bye.